Hey everyone, welcome back to Nexus AI Insights. In today's video, we're tackling a frustrating issue that some users have encountered with CrowdStrike on Windows, the dreaded blue screen of death or BSOD. If you're dealing with this problem, stick around because we're going to walk you through the steps to fix it. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's understand what might be causing this issue. The BSOD can occur due to a variety of reasons, but when it comes to CrowdStrike, it's often related to conflicts between the software and certain Windows updates or other system drivers. To start troubleshooting, we need to ensure that both Windows and CrowdStrike are up to date. Sometimes simply updating the software can resolve the conflict and stop the BSOD from happening. If updating doesn't solve the problem, the next step is to check for driver conflicts. Faulty or outdated drivers can often be the culprit behind blue screen of death errors. Another useful tool is the Windows Memory Diagnostic. This can help identify if the issue is related to faulty RAM, which can also cause blue screen of death errors. Host to run the Windows Memory Diagnostic. Type Windows Memory Diagnostic into the search bar and select the app. Choose Restart Now and check for problems. Your computer will restart and perform a memory test. Note down any errors and follow the suggested steps to resolve them. If you've tried all these steps and are still experiencing blue screen of death errors with CrowdStrike, it might be time to contact CrowdStrike support for further assistance. They can provide more specific solutions tailored to your setup. Alright folks, that's it for today's video. We hope these steps help you resolve the blue screen of death error related to CrowdStrike on Windows. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's another topic you'd like us to cover. Host, thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Stay tech savvy.